Hello America, mKelson here today in beautiful Junction City, Oregon at the great BISH'S RV to present to you this 2021 Winnebago Sunstar, and it's a 29V model, just loaded and absolutely exquisite. Why don't we go in and see what it has to offer. Coming into this coach, you're going to see some colors that are fantastic together. The chocolate colored vinyl along with the nice lighter flooring, but I really like this wood. It's almost like a walnut, and it's just a very pretty color. And then you have this kind of this antique white accent behind it. It's very nice. So you do have the couch. It is a jackknife couch. A few cup holders right there. You're going to have the booth right here, which is really nice because the TV's right there, so you can sit in the booth right here, watch TV, or you can sit right where you're sitting, Gary, and watch the TV. It's very nice. We could have a good time watching a game or something in here, that's for sure. I want to show you up here. You do have this bed atop here for passengers or relatives that are coming over and staying. Very nice. Comes down by the touch of a button. I'll show you that in a minute, but look how these chairs turn around also. So you have a lot of seating in here for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 to 9 people. Pretty incredible. Right back over here, I want to point out that you do have the loft bed up there that comes down, and I'll bring it down while you're panning that way, and so you can see how easy and how quickly it comes down, and then it just goes right back up so that you can drive on. Maybe what I should do, and I know you won't like this because you're probably going to melt your lens, but I am going to turn that air conditioner off, so I'm sorry. Okay, just tell me if it gets too hot. Okay, so coming back here, you have a 3-burner stove, and it is a beautiful microwave convection there. And these are stainless steel, so they're upgraded. And then you're going to have this right here, the refrigerator, 2-door, very cool. And of course, little pantry area you can put stuff in. Kind of neat. We're going to come back here to the bathroom, and you're going to see that a lot of room in that bathroom. Nice vanity area, commode, nice shower, and that's a pretty big shower. But it's all enclosed. That's the nice thing. So, coming over here, if you would, you feature a queen-size bed, nice cabinets on the side, rear exit window, but also an ambiance window. And you have this TV in the back here. Now this does come up, a little bit extra storage in there. A little vanity area here. You got good wardrobe in this coach. 4 drawers underneath, 6 drawers underneath, and then all this area right here. Winnebago never spares any when it comes to storage in their coaches. I mean, just look at this. It's throughout the whole coach and underneath. Coming up to the front, you're on the Ford. This is a V8. You have auto levelers, cruise control. So this thing has a 350 engine in it, and I mean, this thing will scream. It's very nice, that new engine that they put in here. You have the Infotainment Center right here, coffee holders. You have this little thing right there, and then a couple ports in the back for your electronics. The shield up here in the front comes down at the push of a button. It's to block off all the light at night, or when you're going down the road, it'll block part of the sun out. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. Nice colors on the outside on the Sunstar. Side open baggage doors, which is key for getting in there rather than having them lift up and having to get underneath there. You have the TV, 32-inch TV, along with the speakers on the side wall of this coach. Very nice for tailgating. You do have the awning up above. That's an automatic awning. Touch of a button, comes out. Pretty cool. Now, as if that weren't enough, my gosh, how did they do it, Gary? Look at this. Outdoor kitchen. All kinds of neat little things here. This right here will block the rain. If you're in a kind of a mist or a downpour even, it'd block the rain. So let's say you're cooking salmon. Out here, you got a barbecue port right here. Cook your little barbecue out here. Have all this stuff right here. Just absolutely well thought out. Coming to the back, you have your tow receptacle right there. To tow your vehicle. You have your camera up above so that you can watch your vehicle. Pretty cool. Ladder accessing the top so that you can do all your maintenance up there. Check your seals, look at your air conditioners, make sure everything's intact. You can walk on that roof. It is a fiberglass roof, so that's no problem whatsoever. Now, you are going to have in this coach, and look at that side open baggage door right there. That's nice. I didn't hit my head, did I? You have the 4,000 watt Onan generator right there. 30 amp receptacle right there. A lot of storage, but there's your wet bay. So you're gonna have everything at the touch right there, all in one bay. And you can hose it out. It's not gonna hurt anything. That's that plastic lining in there. Pretty incredible. More storage over here. Goes up and over to the other side for those long items that you might have. And your propane tank. Side cameras, more safety. You can see what's coming down the side. Kind of takes care of some of those blind spots. Tell you what, if this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have here at BISH'S RV, give me a call. My name is mKelson. Number 541-285-8791, or the BISH'S number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.